Okay, for 74, they're asking if odd numbers, the set of odd numbers, are closed under addition, right? So odd numbers closed under addition. So remember, to be closed, that means that if we add any two odd numbers, will we always get an odd number? So we can disprove this if we can find two odd numbers added together that don't give us an odd number, right? So let's just take two, right? So odd number is 1, and another odd number is 3, and we get 4, which is even. So we say no, it is not closed. It is not closed under addition. And we could cite, 1 plus 3 equals 4 as a counter example. And you could use any odd numbers, right? Because if you add any two odd numbers, you'll get an even. So I just chose 1 and 3. They were the most common.